Properties of adjoint matrix. First property is A matrix into adjoint of A is nothing but the determinant of A into the identity matrix. This N denotes it's a square matrix. Second property, adjoint of AB is adjoint of B into adjoint of A. Reversal law. It holds the reversal law. Next, adjoint of K into A. Here, K is a constant and N is the order of a matrix. Order of matrix A. So it is nothing but the K whole power N minus 1 into adjoint of A matrix. Adjoint of A transpose is adjoint of A whole transpose. Determinant of adjoint of A is determinant of A whole power N minus 1. Again, N is the order of a matrix. Adjoint of adjoint A is determinant of A whole power N minus 2 into A. Determinant of adjoint of A is determinant of A whole power N minus 1 ka square. And this also continues like uh, adjoint of so on like R times. These are if R times are there, then we can write it as determinant of A whole power N minus 1 ka whole power R. Okay. P is the adjoint of A matrix and determinant is given, we need to find alpha. So it's nothing but de determinant of matrix A is given, adjoint of matrix A is given, we need to find the alpha. How to find this? We have already discussed a property which has a relationship between the adjoint of A and the determinant of A. What is that? It is the determinant of adjoint of A is the determinant of A whole power N minus 1. Using this property, we can find out the alpha. So, determinant of adjoint A is nothing but determinant of B. Determinant of A we have already given in the question, and N is the order, which is 3 minus 1. From this, we can find out 1 alpha 3 1 3 3 2 4. In this question, we will also discuss the concept of to find the determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. This is the 4 square, which is nothing but 16. So, how to find the determinant of 3 cross 3 order? Take the alternative plus and minus sign. So, it becomes plus 1 into hide its corresponding column and corresponding row. Then take the determinant of remaining entries, which is 12 minus 12, which is 0. Take minus alpha and again hide its corresponding row and column. Take the determinant of remaining entries, which is 4 minus 6 minus 2. Again, it is plus 3. Hide its corresponding row and column. Take the determinant of remaining entries, which is again 4 minus 6, again minus 2. Equate it with 16. This is the determinant of the above matrix. So it's nothing but 0 to alpha minus 6 is equal to 60. This is nothing but 2 alpha equal to 22, which is nothing but alpha is 11. In this question, a matrix A is given and also a relation or an equation is given, and we need to find the value of 5A plus B. So first we need to find the values of A and B. So Let's take this relation in use. So here first we need to find the adjoint of A. So I already discussed with you all guys about the trick to find out the adjoint of A when A is 2 cross 2 matrix. Here A is 2 cross 2. So trick can be applied. From that trick we can find out the adjoint of A as interchange these diagonal elements 2 and 5A and add the negative sign for the non-diagonal elements. This is the adjoint of A. So now take the relation in use. So matrix A is 5A minus B 3 2 into adjoint of A, which is 2B minus 3 5A. Matrix A is 5A minus B 3 2. A transposes 5A 3 minus B and 2. So matrix multiplication is possible. So with the use of matrix multiplication, multiply these two matrices. So by multiplying, you'll get as 5 this row with this column, 5A into 2, which is 10A, and plus 3B. Again, this with this, 5AB minus 5AB. Again, this with this, 3 to the 6 minus 6, 0, 3B plus 10A. And in the RHS side, again multiply this, which will get as 25 A square plus B square and 15A minus 2B, 15A minus 2B and 9 minus 4. Simplify it. 10A plus 3B, 0, 0, 3B plus 10A. And here it's 25A square plus B square, 15A minus 2B. This is also 15A minus 2B. 9 minus 4 is 5. So equate it. Sorry guys, here it becomes 9 plus 4 and it will become 13. So from this we'll get two equations. 15A minus 2B is 0 and 3B plus 10A is 13. So when you solve these two equations, you will get A as 2 by 5 and B as 3. So we need to find out the 5A plus B, which is nothing but 5 of 2 by 5 plus 3, which is 5.